Guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we will see how we can create API endpoints in Python. Okay, so in today's video what we will do is we will create API endpoints, means simple API endpoints using a Flask framework as well as FastAPI framework. Okay, so we will see some example. Okay, so guys, watch this video full, then only you will get all the things about how we can create a simple API endpoints in Python. Okay, so let's start guys. See guys, first if you're doing any APIs in Flask, first we need a Flask library that we need to install in our project file. Okay, so this is my project file name, that is python underscore flask. So here I have to install my Flask library. So what I will do guys, I will install here pip install Flask. Okay, so I'm installing here. You can use environment also, in that also you can do guys. I'm doing directly because after some time I will delete this file, so that okay, for that. So it is installing, so it will take some time for installation, so we'll wait for that. See guys, it is telling me already I have the installation files because already I have installed, I have done projects in Python, right? So it is showing. So if you see, if you are new to this, then first you do that thing, installation of Flask, okay, libraries or framework you can say guys. Okay, next what we need to do guys, next what we will do here, we'll create one file, that is app.py. Oh sorry. Okay, so here it is app.py. So now we will create first simple API endpoints using Flask framework. Okay, so here I have to import the Flask libraries. So from Flask import, you have to write like this only guys. These all are necessary files, that is Flask, then JSONify, and one more is request. So here guys, we will use JSONify for converting dictionary into an JSON dictionary to JSON format, and request is while requesting API we need that, means for while requesting data from a request body we need this request. So we are using Flask, JSONify, and request as well. Next thing what we need to do is we will write, that is Flask instant, that is app, and here it will be Flask, and in bracket it will be like name. Okay, this is done. Then here it will be at, means here we have to write our root. Okay, so this is today we will see is get root or get API, I can say get simple API. So here I have to write the root name, so I am writing API forward slash get telnet or hello I will write. Okay, then next what we have to do guys, this is done. So this is my root, and here even I have to define my method also, which method I'm going to use here. So this is my get API, right? So I will use here get method. So here it should be methods guys. If I using method it will give error. Okay, so it should be method, remember. So here we have taken our root, that is API and hello. Next what will come guys, here next my function will come. Okay, which is simple hello function, and simple API function you can see, or normal function also you can say guys. And here is my JSONify, and here I'll send one message guys. Okay, and in that message I want to return like hello world. Fine. Then next guys, we have to close this, we have to run our application. So for running we will use these things. Okay, so this you need to write guys, as you know, if you know about Flask framework you know this guys, why we use this. Okay, so I'm writing for that. and here it will run my app.py. And here we have to set, guys, debug is equal to true, so if any error are there it will give that error and we will solve that error. Okay, so see guys, here what we have done, we have imported the Flask libraries and JSONify and request. Then next what we are doing, guys, here we have taken the Flask instant, you can see app and here Flask name. Then this is my root, which is my API root, that is API hello, and this is my get API, so I have taken here get. Next this is my function, and here I am returning this hello word in JSON format. Okay, and here I am running my application, and if any errors are there it will give that error. Okay, because of this debug true. Then next what I will do, I'll run here Python app.py and we'll see, guys, what will happen. Okay, it is giving one error. Okay, so here my Python spelling is wrong. It should be, oh, what is happening? Python. Okay, now we'll see. Okay, okay, you can see, guys, it is running. So what I will do, I'll just copy this. Okay, I'll go here, guys, and I'll paste my root here. Okay, so now it will give 4 not 4 not found error because it is not there. This is not there. Okay, so for on which thing it will work, so it will work on this route. Okay, so I'll take this because my API route is this only, or API path is this only, guys. Now you will see, you can see, guys, here I got my response in JSON format, which is hello world. You can see, guys, here it is hello world because here I am returning hello world. Okay, so here I am getting hello world. So this result I am getting in JSON format because of this JSONify. Okay, so like this, guys, you can create a simple API endpoint using Flask framework. Even now we will see, guys, by using fast API framework how we can do in simple API. These all are simple APIs, guys. Okay, then next, for Flask API, sorry, for fast API, what we need to do, I'll make here one more file, guys, that is main.py, and here one more thing, guys, I'll close this first, Control C. Okay, to install Flask framework we need to install this, guys, that is pip install fast API uvcon. Okay, this libraries, you can say, guys, or framework we need to install in our system. So I'm installing here. So already I have, but we'll see it is installing, you can see, guys. So first you need to do these things, just use this, guys, that is pip install fast API uvcon. Okay, so you can see, guys, it is telling requirement already satisfied because already I have installed that. Yes, installation is happening. I think it will take some time. So guys, so these are very very simple API, and Python API is a very easy, guys, compared to other. I can see I have worked on other APIs also, but I am feeling Python is very, means creating APIs in Python is very easy and very we can understand very easily. If you're new to Python, then also you will understand very easily, guys. Okay, so it is installed, guys. Okay, then next what it will come, now our program will start. So first what we need to do, same, we need to import the uvcon fast API, import fast API. Okay, so I'm importing fast API here. It should be, I'll take this as the capital, guys. So from fast API import plus fast API. Okay, this is done, guys. Then next here my instant will come, fast API instant. So here I have taken, then here my root will come, guys. So you can see how we need to take, here is method. Okay, so this is my method. In, you can see, guys, here I have taken like this, here method is equal to get But in fast API, here we need to mention our method. It will understand how this it is. You will understand like how this is a method like that. It will understand. Okay. So in that we need to take our root name. So which is API hello. Only this much guys per root. And next here my function will come. So read underscore data. I'll say, and here I will return same hello world. Okay, so message, and here is my hello and here is my hello world. So this is my fast API guys. You can see simple. It is very simple guys. I've imported the Flask. Then here I have written the Flask instant fast API. Sorry, not Flask guys. I'm getting confused. Flask fast. Okay, so fast API instant here. Then here it is my root for fast API, and this is my method. Suppose if you're using post, then this should be post. If you're using put, this should be put. Means it's like method. And here is my main function. Okay, so now what we will do, now we have to run this, right? So for running this we will use so to run this main.py guys, we need to write like this, that is uvcon, then main is my file name. Okay, this is my file name. Oh, file name, and here you can write guys this also here, like what I have written like this, but I will not write without that also, it will work. You can see guys it is running. So what I will do now, I will copy this, will come here, next browser I'm taking, see guys. Okay, so it is not finding anything, so it is giving me validation also, which is default validations, and here my path will come with. So you can see guys I got a response, that is message hello world, right? So this is response of this code guys. Okay, that is fast API response. Okay, so this is the thing guys, like this you can create a simple API endpoints in Python. Okay, so I hope guys you got how we can create simple APIs in Python by using Flask framework as well as fast API. So if you have any question regarding this, then guys please comment in comment box, and if you're liking my videos then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys, keep supporting it.